Hello everyone. So now in this video we will see about the central model. So what is central model? Central model means a model where multiple teams can work simultaneously on the same project, each called as basically central model. So currently you can see on the screen, uh, I have I have just started a new project. So this one is our local model, right? Basically we can say local file, local model, whatever. So now I just wanted to convert this local file into this central file. So to convert the local file into central file, I will first go on this collaborate, right? I will first go on the collaborate and then I will click on this on the collaborate, right? So before that I will let me tell you, currently I didn't save this file. See, it is showing the by default name given by the Revit, basically, right? So if you try to collaborate this model, then it will let me show you. If I just click on this collaborate, so here you can see this kind of window will pop up, right? So here it is saying you have to save the model before you can collaborate with others. So before collaborating, we need to save this model. So for the save, I just click on the save option, right? And I will just save here this project. Basically, let me save it as central model 2, and save. Now, once I save the basically once I save the this local file, so it will ask me now, you are enabling collaboration. Yes, I'm enabling, and this will allow multiple people to work on the same Revit model simultaneously. That's what collaboration does, right? So here it is showing how would you like to collaborate. So for collaboration, we have total two options. See, this one within your network or in the cloud. Within your network means collaboration on local or wide area network, basically like LAN or WAN. Basically, in these options, you are just connected to basically all the people are connected to particular server. Then the people which are connected to that particular server are work on can we work on this model, right? And in the cloud system, basically your central model will basically your central model will store in the cloud, and from there anybody can access, basically from anywhere people can access, right? And but for in the cloud, you need to require the license, and license are basically costly. So currently I don't have the license, so I just can't select this option. So I will go with first one. I will just click on this OK, and you can see the name is now changed, and you can see here total are two options. This one first one is save, and the second one is for synchronize. Basically this option is synchronize means you can just synchronize your local model with the basically central model. So we have just made our local model into a central model, but still this option is not available. So for that, you just once you just made these your sender file, then immediately you need to save your file, right? Just click on this save. So this kind of window will pop up always once first time when you are saving your model. So this is first time that the project has been saved since the work sharing was unable, right? This project will therefore become a central model. Yes. Do you want to save this project as a central model? Yeah. So once you click on this, currently you can see we have a save option, but this option is not available. Basically, this synchronize option is not available. So once I did just this save this option, uh, yeah, the model now saved. So now you can see save option is not available, but you can see synchronize option is available to me right now, right? So once you just created your center model, then first let me save let me show you how you can save your center model with the help of synchronize tool, right? So just click here on synchronize, and this kind of window will come, right? So currently you can see here are some more options which are currently not available for us, right? See, we just cannot browse, and we cannot just basically use any of this, right? So I will just click on this OK button. See, I will just click on OK, and yeah, the model is now saved. So once you just created your center model, then uh, take your first step to close this your center model, right? Because nobody is directly work on this center model, because you can see you are directly working on this central model. So other team members won't able to work on this model. So so what is the first step? Just close your center model, right? I will just close from here. See, I will just click on the close button, and I just exit from there, right? So now you can see this one is my central file, right? So I will just click here, right? And see, this kind of window now is opening, right? What is saying? It is saying by opening this center model, you will create a local copy of it, right? Basically, I am opening my central file, but it is what it is showing ki, by opening this central model, you will create a local copy of it. Basically, nobody can directly work on this central model. So let me first click on the OK. I will explain what does this mean. So now you can see here we have both option available. This one save option also, and this synchronize option we have, right. Once we have just opened this local file, right. So basically this file we have opened. This one is our local file, right. So once we if you wanted to save this, if you just click on this save button, right. If you just make some changes in the drawing, and we have just done something, and we are just wanted to save this that file, then if you just wanted to save it as locally, then click on the save button, right. Then it will save as in the local file. But you just wanted you basically you just wanted your local file to update in the basically in the central location, right. So for that you just need to synchronize a tool, right. Just click here, and see, this one is showing the location for your center model, right. So by you can see here it is saving save local file before and after synchronizing with central. Basically you are just saving you are just updating your local file into the central file. But what it is saying, save local file before and after synchronizing. Basically your local file will save before, and then it will same update in the central location, right. So in this way you can just update your local file into the central file. Basically, you are not directly working in this central file. You are just working on this basically local file. Not you. Basically, all the team members, all the different teams are working on their particular local file. Then they can just update by using this synchronized tool, right? Now, now here we can see more things. Let me show you with this one. So with the help of this collaboration, I just click here in the collaboration, right? So here you can see we have just seen this synchronize with central. This one is same synchronize with central. So you can see reload latest. What does this means? Basically, we will see this three, right. So we have just seen synchronize with central. So this one and this one are same. Now we will see reload latest. What does this mean? Let's see, many disciplines are many teams are working on any project. and right, so someone has done their work and uploaded, and you just basically don't want it, uh, you just basically don't want it to update your um basically work in the center model, but you just wanted to see other work who has already updated in the center model. Then you just click on this reload latest. Then there are no new changes to the load. Okay, so if anybody has made any kind of changes and updated in the center model, then you can just see just by clicking on the reload latest, but your work is still not updated in this center model because you just don't click on this synchronize uh, tool 8, right? So in this way you can just do this, right? Now I have just done here some work, right? And now, okay, so let's see, I have just done here some work. Now I just wanted to close exit from here. So once you are done with your some work, then if you just wanted to exit from here, then you just click here on the close button. Then this kind of window will open up, and it is saying us you have made changes in the model center file that have not been saved. How do you want to save? Do you want to do, right? So you can just synchronize with central, and you can just save locally, right, in your local file. Basically we're just saving in local file, not updating in your central file, or do not save the project basically. So you can just synchronize with central, and see this one is your central file location, and by clicking ok you can just exit from here, right? It will exit shortly. See, right? In this way, you can just exit from here. Now, when you are just clicking on this file on third after second time, then you will different kind of window will pop up. See, let me click on this. By opening central file, you will create a local copy of it. We have already seen this one, right? I will just click on this OK button. Now, see this again, this kind of window each pop up. What is saying you are trying to create a new local copy with the same name as so what is it is saying you are trying to create a new local copy with the same name as that already exists. What do you want to do? Basically, we have already created a local copy in the second attempt, right? This one is our third attempt, and the location for our basically the local file is here. So we have already one file here. Then we can just override existing copy. Basically, we can just replace that one, and this new local copy uh, will uh, will be there, right? And here in the append time stamp to existing copy means your previous copy will remain at their location, and your this new copy will be with of different name. And basically you can just create series of folders, basically one series of files, basically 1 2 3 in basically how many times you are opening with append time stamp to existing copy. In this way you can just create if you just wanted to create multiple local files. So I will just click on this override existing copy, right? So uh, let me close it. Now it is opening. Yeah. So see where we have just stopped in uh, previous basically update. You can see this one, right? So in this way, and if you just wanted to see your file location, uh, where we are this local copy is saved, you can just click on this file where I just go on this. I just click here on the file, right? I just click on this file tab, and here from in the option button, see I just click on the option, and from here you can see this file location. See, from here you can just see your file location. Uh, this one is showing default file path for user files, family templates, and root path for cloud. So basically, from here you can just see your path for basically uh, where you are working, right? So we have more things to learn in the center file. We will learn this one in the worksheet. Once we will see this worksheet, then we will see more things about this central file. Right? As of now, I am now stopping this lecture here.